16 by 28 Chevalier horizontal surface grinder. Now in incremental cross-feed mode. Reverse. Reverse as we will down feed. The cross limit switches. To table speed. To power elevation, wheel head elevation. Okay, and then go back to incremental feed. Now this is down. Once again, you have to push the orange and the yellow to go down.
Oh, this is plunge grinding.
It's on plunge grinding.
This one here is the cross-feed cycle, and this is plunge grinding, and this is manual. It has to be in this to make it go up and down with the push
Wait, one more time.
Setting number 1 is for up and down with the push buttons. Setting number 2 is with the cross-feed. When it gets to the
Incremental down feed. When it
right. This is all the feed, down feed. And then the third one is plunge grinding.
So you put it on plunge grind, hit cycle start. And the countdown is how many tenths it feeds.
Whatever this is set for.
It's set for 5.
You want 15, it'll go to 15.
Change it to 15. Let's go plunge 15. Put it back to 5. And the wheel head start. Put it in automatic cross-feed cycle. Step feed amount.
This is for the automatic in and out. This is manual in and out.
And what's the other one?